Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be changing my brake master cylinder. I bought an RSX one. Right now I just have my stock OEM one. And I feel like I'm not getting a good enough brake feel. So that's why I'm changing the master and the booster. This is my boy Niraj. He's here to help us.
What's up, peeps?
So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so first thing we gotta do here is get the fluid out of the reservoir. So I'm gonna use a syringe and get it out.
Hey guys, got a syringe on deck. Got a little makeshift water bottle. Yes sir.
Alright, commence sucking. Don't you want this shit on my paint and shit?
You, bud.
You got your fancy things here.
Yeah, let's go put them on.
For real?
Yeah.
Go scoop it.
So guys,
I'm gonna put these on. My buddy Niraj was concerned about my car's well-being. He loves the car more than me.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put these on and protect the paddles.
I got red because I wanted to match the shoes, you know. So guys, this is it with the cover on. Hey, what do you think?
Highly recommended.
Honestly, yeah, bro. Unless you're not working here.
Clutch.
Yeah, bro. Amazon is like 60 bucks, I think. Link is down in the description, so you can order it online. Except for in the wind, I guess. Alright, with the new covers on, let's keep this paint protected.
So one thing I learned with the brake lines is they're, especially here in Canada, it gets really rusted on. So it's a good idea to hit that with some penetrating fluid. I don't have any, but I'm gonna use WD-40.
Oh,
Lolly!
Ty Lolly!
Yeah!
Ty Boo Boo!
Oh yeah! Yeah, Lolly!
These are some special wrenches for the brake line, eh? Where'd you get these from? Amazon as well?
Yeah, Amazon. 11.
Probably a 6, no?
Hold on, I think it's 10.
Yeah. Alright guys, so you're gonna use a size 10 wrench.
I'm sure that's not too much.
And try the, I don't know, do you have an 8?
It's the 10, so it's 9. Definitely not 9. Any hard?
No, 10 for sure.
Let's see, 10.
Just try.
Oh.
Maybe hold the line up there. There she goes.
Yeah, so you know this Masters wasn't designed for big wheelwoods and rear calipers.
Right.
So the bore is smaller
On this Master.
on this compared to the RSX one I got.
And do you know what this bore size is?
No,
The
I know the new one is 15/16.
So that's like almost an inch. That's basically an inch.
So in theory, it should give it more pressure.
In theory.
Right though?
Yeah. I'm rooting for this. Like, hopefully it works. And put it to the test.
Oh, come on. Hey.
Oh, the line escaped. Come here, good girls. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Lales.
Get out of there, Miles. Come on.
Come on,
Go,
good girl.
you stupid girl.
Come on. Come on, baby girl.
Yeah, that good girl.
Oh. Taking too much effort, you know? Work smart, not hard. It's a good girl's Lollies. Her name's Callie, by the way. Boo. These are clutch. Size 12 socket.
Yeah? Holy tits, eh, bro?
Think so. Right? Yeah. It's just tight. Holy smokes. You see what's going on down there, bud? Windy. Getting off these panels.
Oh, it's way up there.
Yeah, you gotta like really get on your back. Here, you wanna show them what's going on?
Oh.
Here's a flashlight.
Alright, so we gotta take that pin out. Where is it? There's a pin at the end of the booster there. And then the 4 bolts.
Alright guys, this is a quick representation of what it is like outside the car. So it's basically hooked up, boom, like that. So the angle's like that. You gotta remove that pin, and there's 4 nuts that are holding the actual brake booster into the firewall. Oh, here you go. Oh, here we go. Come on, bud. There you go. Actually, like, take it off. Why? Because it needs a bigger one, you know? They should have just put a K motor in it from factory.
Nah, tell me.
What are they doing, yo?
Then we wouldn't have this type of fun though, you know?
Yeah, that's true. But still, you think the K should have went in EP3 or
They
this?
should have made a Type R version of this, at least in Japan.
Once.
You know? Like,
Once. Just once. The EP3 was the Type R, you know?
and the RSX.
True, and the RSX. Woo. Hear that vacuum? Oh. Here, bro, you're gonna have to put up brake lines that are in the way still. Alright. Listen to us moaning.
Oh yeah.
Ah, we're pretty even still. Boom. No fire.
Together. 7/8 it says on it.
Yeah, true.
Where mine says 15/16.
There you go.
So yeah, there you go.
So we didn't know that.
Ah.
That says 7/8.
Okay. Now we gotta bench lead that thing.
Yeah, so here's so benchy.
Yeah, we got a benchy.
Yeah. So yo, are you gonna bench it, then put it on the booster, then hook it up, or put the booster
Let's put the booster on,
and then put
bench
the
it,
master?
and then just push.
True.
Alright.
So you gotta get in here.
I don't think that's lined
It's
up.
probably not lined up with the pedal. So here, I'll get under.
True. I'll be hitting the pedal.
Pedal bracket. Now push it in. That's what we had to do. We had to loosen the brake pedal bracket a little bit.
Now it's all the way in?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so while D-Raj is tightening the screws back down for the booster, the next step would be we're gonna have to bleed the master cylinder, or they call it bench bleed. So I got another hose. You basically put both hoses into the top, same as this one, into the top, and then I'm gonna have Niraj hold it because I don't have a clamp or nothing. And then I'm gonna use a screwdriver into the hole here and slowly just keep pressing it in. First you're gonna fill that up with brake fluid, and then as you press it in, it's gonna keep looping it, and you just want to make sure you do it until there's no bubbles left.
Here, so I guess you want to like go pretty full, guys. We're probably just letting in there, air there.
Yeah, man, because it has to come off.
Oh no.
Yeah. Unless we just take this off, bro. Yeah, this won't even come close.
Okay, guys. I guess we're gonna have to take off the strut brace, huh? Front strut brace gotta come off. Jeez.
Rolling? Recording?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm gonna bleed the brakes. I'm gonna start with the closest to the ABS sensor, and also from the farthest nipple on the caliper. And my boy Niraj is in there. He's gonna pump the brakes. So you want to make sure your reservoir is full, and make sure this line here is submerged in fluid, so that way when you open it, it's not going to suck air in.
When you're ready, Mark.
There she goes. Little bubbles coming out still.
You need, want me to hit it?
Yeah, go for it. Oh, there it is.
Alright, hitting it now.
Go slower still. So you're also going to want to keep an eye on your reservoir here. You never want it to go empty. I'm just gonna do it until I see the line fill all the way up to the bottle, and then I'm confident there's no air bubble trapped in here. Alright, so it might be clear for a while, but we do know there's an air bubble in the line, so it's got to go through the whole line, all the fluid, so it's gonna take a minute. Once again, I put the line up there, comes down, and this one, this caliper's a 10 mil. Finally got some air bubbles coming out. Took a while though. Alright guys, I've been bleeding it for about 45 minutes, so pretty sure it's good to go. Those other air bubbles that came out, that was it. It's been clear ever since. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this up and move on to the next. Alright guys, I got all the brakes bled. So I guess all that's left now is just to go for a test drive. So I'm just going to put a couple things away, and then we'll go for a test drive and I'll give you my honest opinion. Alright guys, I got all the wheels torqued down to spec. So let's go for a test drive. See if this master cylinder did anything. It feels like I almost have to push a little harder to make them grab, but it definitely has less travel. I don't have to push it as far, but it does feel like I have to push them harder. See, I'm gonna try to hit them pretty hard right here. Oh yeah, ABS locked up real quick. It definitely feels like more is grabbing. Like I can feel the rear's grabbing more. What's happening with the new Master is the old Master, the stock one from the EM2 was a 7/8 bore. So the new Master I put in was a 15/16 bore, which is bigger. So it's allowing basically more pressure into the lines, which you need when you do the swap, because the 7/8 Master is designed for the rear drums. So it's not putting as much fluid into it doesn't have calipers. But once you change it to the calipers, you got to upgrade your Master as well. With the old Master, the 7/8, I'd have to push the brakes so hard, like, to get them to lock up. And then on the track too, I noticed I get a lot of brake fade. So I will have to run this at the track again and, you know, see if I get the brake fade that I was getting. Alright guys, my GoPro died. It ended up raining, but I'm gonna end the video on that note. So in my opinion, it's definitely a must upgrade, changing your master cylinder to complement changing out the rear drums to calipers, so you'll get more pressure, a lot more stopping power. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and follow my journey.